Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll practice a 5-2-5-2 box breathing pattern to cultivate a state of gentle, sustainable alertness. You'll inhale for a count of 5, gently hold the breath for 2, exhale smoothly for 5, and then pause again for 2 at the bottom of the breath before beginning the next cycle. This specific rhythm is excellent for moments of transition, like first thing in the morning or when moving between tasks, as the equal inhale and exhale create nervous system coherence, while the short holds subtly train your body's blood pressure sensors, your baroreceptors, promoting a feeling of stable energy. This rhythm could be supportive during seasonal shifts, such as the transition into spring we are experiencing now. As nature awakens and changes around us, our own systems can benefit from a gentle reset. At this point in the practice, the consistent rhythm is likely helping your heart rate variability become more coherent, meaning the space between your heartbeats is becoming more rhythmic and efficient. This is your body finding its optimal balance between alertness and calm. You're doing wonderfully. Just continue to follow the animation. Let the fresh energy of spring inspire your actions and outlook as you finish this last few cycles. Just as the season brings new growth, this practice helps cultivate new beginnings within. Notice how the world outside is slowly coming back to life. Allow your own energy to align with this natural awakening. Embrace this feeling of quiet readiness for what is to come. If this session was helpful for you, please consider liking the video or subscribing to the channel for more. You can always find another rhythm to suit your mood in my breathing library. Take this feeling of calm alertness with you into the rest of your day. Breathe well.